Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Anthony. In today's video, I am going to talk to you about something that I've wanted to talk to you about for a while. Ever since I did my 5 income streams for a designer or creative, I've wanted to do a dedicated video to Etsy. Now, Etsy is something that I use regularly and I sell a lot of products on. And Etsy is something that has afforded me a kind of passive income. I only upload something once, don't have to deal with it again, and I get money for it monthly. So I'd like to show you guys how to do it so you can also have a passive income. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help my channel to grow. Please also leave a comment down below. I really want to grow a fashion community where we all get together and have a bit of a chat. All right, okay, so first things first, what is my Etsy shop? Well, my Etsy shop is an online platform where I am selling different CADs and vectors that designers or creative people can download and use in their everyday design life. It's a collective of different type of garments and CADs. So I've got outerwear, jersey, I've got accessories, loads of different products like that on there so people can just download them and use them. And it's really cheap and affordable. I only charge like £3.60, I think, for each CAD. And some people have told me that I should charge more for them, but I don't like to, because at the end of the day, I feel like it's right product, right price, and best price first. So I'm just going to go straight onto my Etsy and show you some of the analytics on there so you can just get a little bit of a look in about how much money I've made from it. And as I say, this is just a passive income, so it's money that I'm just generating month on month where I don't have to do anything for it. So yeah, let's have a look. Okay, so if you've not seen it before, this is my Etsy shop. And as you can see, it's called So-Called Fashion. I've had 88 sales since 2019, which is really good in my opinion. And then I've got loads and loads of different CADs on there. Oh, 5 people have got it in their basket. Oh, and 5 more people have got that one in the basket. Okay, great. If you've got it in your basket, go and buy it. Anyway, so I've got loads of different CADs. There's denim jackets, there's varsity jackets, there's underwear, there's shoes. This is kind of my shop, and this is kind of the products that I've got in there. So if you are a designer and you want to buy some of this, then go ahead. If I just go ahead to my shop manager, it'll take me to my homepage. And as you can see, stats for this year is total views, I've had 5,679. So the visits are 3,594. The orders are 61, and my total revenue is £219 for this year. So we are only in August, which is 8 months. And I know that might not sound like a lot of money to you guys, but don't forget, I've done nothing except upload something to this website to earn £219. I started my Etsy at the beginning of 2019, and that first year, I'll show you how much I earned then. I earned £57 in one whole year. So to have earned £219 in 8 months, obviously that is a massive step up, and hopefully going forward it'll just keep stepping up and stepping up. The thing with Etsy is the more you've got on there and the more you sell, the more it pushes the content out there and the more sales you'll make. I also promote my Etsy through my Pinterest. Anytime I've got a new listing on Etsy, I put it on Pinterest, and that generates a lot of traffic for me. So that's why you see that my traffic is so high but my orders are so low. It's because it's coming from Pinterest, and most of the time they don't buy stuff from Pinterest, but it's good just to get people aware that I've got a shop out there. I just want to take you through what my process is when I upload a new listing so you guys can do it too at home. So you go to listings, and then it'll take you to this screen where it shows you all of your listings. You can add a new listing in the top right hand corner, and this is where you add all your information. Now I've already chosen a drawing to put on there, I'll show you that now. And it's going to be this funnel zip pullover. As you can see, it's already CADed and ready to go. It's got the front and the back. And then I also do a main photo. So this is just something that is going to grab people's attention and pull them in so that they can actually go and buy my product. Now I've already exported this, and I've already taken screenshots of the different bits that I want to show on Etsy. So if I just add this photo, so I'm just adding 3 photos here. So I've got a close up, the front and the back, and then I'm also going to add in my main photo. Now this main photo usually takes a little bit longer to upload. That's because the file is just so big. Now if you notice that these have got these question marks on it, that's only because it's not in a square format. So then I just go down to listing details, and I try and input the information that I think people are going to want to search for. So I can even choose one that I've done before. Go for that, and then I'll just change the details slightly. So I'm going to call this a funnel zip sweatshirt. So I've just typed in a few different keywords. So I've put funnel neck sweatshirt, zip through over the head. Then I've obviously got technical drawing, flat sketch for Adobe Illustrator. Who made it? I did. What is it? A finished product. When did you make it? 2020. I always put it on manual in case it doesn't sell and I don't really want to put it on again, and it's a digital download. So I only sell digital downloads, and that's the main reason why it's a passive income for me. I don't have to send anything out. I don't have to do anything behind the scenes. If someone buys it, Etsy automatically sends it to them and I am done and I get my money, so that's good. Because mine's just a digital download and it's a black and white thing, I usually just ignore this, but you can put your primary colours in, your secondary colours, then you can put your subject. So I always put this as fashion. And then you can also put the room, if it's a digital download for say a bathroom or something like that, you can put it there. Home style, all of that, is it vertical, horizontal, framed, unframed, height, all of that sort of stuff if it's in collaboration. And here's where I put my description. I've got a template that I just copy and paste in and just change a few details. So I'll go ahead and copy that in now. And then this is where you put your tags in. Your tags are really, really important. This is how people find your products. So I've got a general keywords that I put in, and then I also add a few extra to make sure that the people are finding it. So the usual ones I put in are design, template, fashion, fashion illustration, fashion, Adobe Illustrator, drawing, and then I always put where it is. So funnel sweatshirt, and then I put SVG file, 3 left. So then I'll put funnel neck, sweatshirt, and technical template. Okay, so we'll add that to it, and there's your 13 tags. You can only have 13 on Etsy. My price I always put is £3, quantity is 15, and then you SKU if you've got more than one, but I don't, and then here's where I upload my files. So you can have 5 files, and I generally put a Illustrator file that is always compatible with C3 and below. Then I always put a PDF, a PNG, and a JPEG. And then I always put a JPEG of a thank you letter as well, because I always think it's nice that here's all my social medias if you want to follow me, all of that sort of stuff. And I just think it's a nice little touch. So there you go, all them files are now uploaded. I'm going to click preview to see how it actually looks. And okay, well, first of all, I can see that my main picture isn't in the right place. I want that going first. So if I continue editing, go back to the top, I can just drag this across, adjust the thumbnail so it's down, save, click preview again. This is where I check all the information, zip funnel neck sweatshirt, yeah, instant download, all of that sort of stuff, great. And then I click publish. Non-refundable fee of 20 cents. In UK, I think it's about 16p, so it's not that bad really. Publish, and there you go. It's on there, ready to sell. And that's basically how I put stuff on Etsy and the kind of products that I've got on there. Now, you don't have to just have digital downloads. I've got friends who sell pottery, who sell things that they've made, who sell cards and all of this sort of stuff on Etsy. You don't just have to go down the digital download route. I do, because I don't have to manage anything. I don't have to send anything out. I don't have to deal with late deliveries and all of that sort of stuff, because it's all there and managed by Etsy. But if you want to start a side hustle and you want to start an Etsy shop, it's a really cheap way of getting something going. And obviously my channel is called So Called Fashion. My Etsy shop is So Called Fashion. I'm trying to build kind of a brand awareness with it all, so that's why it's all tying through. And I always think when you're setting up your own brand, that's definitely something that you need to do, is make sure it's consistent all the way through. So if you look at my colour palettes even, it's pinks, it's limes, it's bright yellows. I think my ultimate goal with my Etsy shop is to eventually have over 100 different CADs on there, which will enable me to have a lot more of a passive income, and eventually I can use that money that I'm getting passively and reinvest that in and start creating a brand. That is my ultimate goal. I know it takes a minute to set up, and I know sometimes it can be quite annoying to do all these little things to set up, but you need to think all of these little steps will lead you to a bigger goal eventually, and that's kind of what I like about this. Obviously Etsy makes me a bit of money. Obviously I get a bit of money from Shutterstock. I get more from Etsy than I do Shutterstock. But anyway, yeah, so that is my Etsy shop, and that's how I upload on Etsy. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click that beautiful red subscribe button down below. Please also leave a comment. Did you like this video? Do you want to see more videos like this? Do you want to see how I upload stuff to Shutterstock? Let me know. Also as well, since this video is all about Etsy, don't forget to check out my Etsy shop. Let me know what you think of it. You can buy CADs and vectors to help support you in your everyday design life. Alright, okay, thanks for watching. Alright, bye. Cha cha cha. Bye.